In this video, I'm going to show you how to do voiceovers on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok and hit plus icon to start creating new video. You can use your camera or you can upload something from your camera roll. I'll select that one, hit next, and now first you need to tap there on volume button and reduce the original sound of your video to 0 to be able to hear your voiceover. And now you can tap on voiceover icon right there, and here you can tap on record button and record there some voiceover. Look how it works. If you tap, the voiceover recording is started, and now you can stop. Then you can move playback marker to another place and here add another voiceover in the same way. If you don't like how it makes, you can undo the last fragment of the voiceover and record it again. You can listen your fragment, you can tap there on play icon, and here you can listen your voiceover, and if you don't like it you can tap on undo. So now you can continue creating your voiceover, and when you're done you hit on stop recording, you hit on save. Now you can go back to volume and add some original sound if you want, or select the edit sound. If you got one, you can also volume it up for a bit. So now I hit done, and now I can continue creating that video as I normally would. I can add there some filters, stickers and so on, and then share it to my newsfeed. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.